Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a sparkling black dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can pick any dress that you want to wear on Dress to Impress. And for me guys, I'm just going to use this granny dress. Okay, and if you want to make it sparkling, we can use patterns, and you can use this pattern to make your dress sparkling. Okay, and it will create something like this. As you can see that it's so beautiful, right? And wait, I'm going to combine it with another outfit. I'm going to put on this one as well, and I'm going to make it sparkling. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. This is the details, and you can create your own outfit with this pattern. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create sparkling black. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create sparkling black dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.